Ever wonder how to preview your binder without leaving the editor? In this video, I want to share a quick tip I just discovered after always just clicking the play option under View, which would take me out of the editor. I did that by going to View, Present, leaving Edit Mode. Then to go back, I'd have to click the Edit icon to resume editing. Now, if I want to preview how my new LiveBinder will look to my viewers, I can do that by using the preview button I discovered from the binder settings window. Here's how. To preview my binder, I click on Settings, Layout, and in the bottom right corner, I click on Preview. A new window pops up and my binder is in present mode. And now I can check my table of contents, my tabs, my sub-tabs, and check to see how everything is looking. When I'm done, I close that window, I close binder settings, and I'm back ready to proceed without ever leaving edit mode.